It is July 28th, 2021. I got a call from a guy, his AC's not working. But he says it wasn't cooling like it should be. The temperature keeps rising in the house. So I told him yesterday, shut it off. He was hesitant to shut it off, but I told him it's not keeping up. Just shut it off before you burn something out. I'm going over there today. It's a cooler day today. See what happens. We'll give it to you. How you doing, Mama? There'll be another unit out of Freon, a flat out of Freon, most likely. Been running into a lot of them lately. Not good. You don't like her, Mama. You don't like her. Oh, Miss Molly. You don't like her, Miss Molly. You don't like her. You don't like her, Molly. You don't like her. She don't like her, Mama. She don't like her. Alright, so what are you looking at? Huh?
Think I should close all the windows and everything?
Well, let's take a look here. See what? That's one thing about this is I can't be too far away from it. That ain't too bad. 54. I mean, we gotta add some. See that 47? Our superheat's too high, so it's a little bit low.
Okay.
Nothing crazy.
All right.
See, we're 56. We'll put some gas in it. That'll probably come up to 65. But we're gonna have to clean this coil on the way out because it's dirty.
All right.
So let me put some gas in it, and then we'll hit it with the hose.
We'll close the windows.
Yeah, close the windows. And we got a hose right here, so that's good.
Yeah, and the handle's somewhere.
I got a handle.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a good good douche too. Subcoolant's high. Well, Miss Molly. Well, hello there. We're gonna give it a douche, Molly. We gotta give it to you. How you doing, Miss Molly? Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna give it some gas, bring that 37 down. See that 37's too high. I bled it back already, so we're gonna give it a little juice. And we're gonna hit this good with the hose on the way out, all four sides. The compressor almost looks like it's oily on the bottom here. Might be starting to leak out the bottom of the compressor. Bring that sous vide down about 20. 59, that's still high. Keep an eye on that 66. That's our return line. When that starts dropping, we know our charger's starting to come back. See that? 50, 65, 8. Watch that. You can see this right here. When I'm adding gas, when that starts dropping, we know our chargers get close. It's starting to come back really cold. See, that's kind of high. See, it's starting to drop.
Okay.
I'm adding gas right now, but they'll start dropping. That's kind of high. That's because the coil's dirty. This outside coil needs a good cleaning.
Should I have this serviced every year?
No, not every year. I'm going to show you what to do with the hose.
Okay, all right.
And you're going to do that.
I'll do that every year before I start it up?
I would.
Okay.
See, this is going to start dropping.
Yep.
And that's going to bring our superheat down.
Okay.
This is good at 62. What kind of filters are you running in the house?
I got those washable ones.
Okay, so I don't want you to get nothing that's too heavy-duty thick. I want you to buy either the washable ones. Them are good.
Yeah, I'll show you.
The washable.
I got an extra one. I put one on.
Yeah, and you wash it.
Yeah,
that's perfect. That's perfect. Yeah. Yeah. See our superheat right at 20. That's good. You just have to give it a little how you doing. And we're gonna hit this with the hose. right, so we're good at 17 there. Once we clean this coil, this will come down.
These are the ones I use.
Oh yeah, that's perfect, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's good. We're pretty low there at 60. We'll leave it right there. We'll get all my apparatus off of this and we'll hit it good with the hose. Alright, so it's a 99. We gave it a good douching. Added a little gas. We gave it a good. All four sides we really hosed it good. So that's what I wanted to do. Hit it with the hose every so often.
Okay.
But you don't want to bend the fins either.
I can put it like in a little shower.
And yeah, on this back we could clip it in and put it. We don't really even need the screws. Put the back in like that and lock it in. I mean, this way you can get it out. You rather have me put a couple of screws in?
Yeah.
I'll put a couple on the top, but you can take them out and to clean it.
Put them back the way they were. When I take it out, I'll take them both out.
All right, so let me put all four. You want all four screws in?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, they're actually good. These things can run. Yeah, they're good. I mean, it's a 99. It's already 22 years old, but hey, as long as it's still working, give it a little. Yeah, give it a little juice. We're good. Let me weigh the tank. We'll find out how much we put in.